2, exercise 4C, third, fourth one. 5x minus 3y minus 2, the whole square. So how can we do this? Tell me the answer. 5x the whole square means 5x, that is 25x square plus 9y square, isn't it? Plus 4
minus
then
30
minus 15 into 2, 30xy
30xy 12y
negative positive 3 into 2 6 into 2 12y, isn't it?
12y.
Then next 5x and 2. So
Minus
negative, so negative 5 into 2 10, 10 2s are 20 x. Is that the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
All got?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fourth set. Fourth one. We have the formula, we study the formula a plus b plus c the whole square. We know that using that we have to do. Fourth question, if a plus b plus c is equal to 12 and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 50, find ab plus bc plus ca. That we have to find out. So after writing the question, again waiting in the lobby. Abhinanda. So we have formula what is square, square, square. That means 3. A plus b plus c the whole square is equal to what? What is our formula?
Is
We are doing.
a square plus
Don't write. I will give you time. A square
plus b. A square
plus
b
b
square plus
b
c
square
square
plus c square plus 2ab
plus
plus 2bc plus 2ck.
2ac. So some adjustment. 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there. Which one is common? 2 is common there. So we can rearrange this formula as a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus which one is common in 3? 2 is common.
2.
So remaining, what we can write? ab
plus bc plus ac.
Then look at our question. This formula, same formula, something is there in our question. Values. Which are the values given? A plus b plus c is given as 12. So instead of a plus b plus c, we can replace it as what? 12. 12 square. Don't write, first listen. The next step.
50.
A square plus b square plus c square.
50
Plus
2
into, we have to find out AB plus BC plus CA. That means AB plus BC plus AC is same as CA. That we have to find out. Plus BC plus AC or CA. Or next step you can write as question CA. So next what we can do? 12 square.
24.
No. 12 square not 24. 12 into 2 is 24. Don't do that. 12 square means what? 12 into 2. No. What is that? 12 square.
12 into 12.
12 into 12. 12 times. Understood? Angelina, understood? 12 square.
Yes, sir.
144. Then is equal to 50 plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. Then take this 50 to the left side. So 144 minus 50 is equal to 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. 144 minus 50.
94.
94 is equal to 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. So we want to find this one only. So how can we write that?
94
Ah.
minus 2 divided by
94 minus 2 94 by 2.
Divided by 2.
94 divided by 2.
Divided by into will become division and division will become multiplication. Positive will become negative, negative will become positive. So 94 divided by 2 is equal to remaining AB plus BC plus CA. That only we have to find. So what is 94 by 2?
47.
40?
7.
40 is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. So value of AB plus BC plus CA is 47. Understood? Right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Then way try to do the fifth question. I will give you time. Substitute same way up to this okay. Then what are the things we have to substitute that you have to adjust and do? Just try it in your notebook itself. After that I will do.
Right now.
This you should write. Right up, start writing. After completing 4, start doing fifth one. All questions are the same thing. This one, this formula. Full question. That set full questions. This formula you have to. Whether it is negative or positive, depending upon that negative and positive, you adjust here. Sometimes it will be here negative. Second question all positive, no? So don't worry about that fifth question. Same model of fourth one.
I'm finished doing.
Completed doing. That is the proper way, no? Isn't it, Anne-Marie?
Oh, no, I didn't complete it.
Then who said that, ma'am?
I completed, ma'am. Nida.
Nida. Okay. So can do no? Can I start fifth one?
Yes, ma'am.
So given a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 35. Check your note. What are the things? Any mistakes are there or not? 23. 1 second. 1 second.
Yes, sir.
So AB plus BC plus CA. So A square, A plus B plus C, the whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus BC plus AC. Directly I am writing, okay. Then A plus B plus C.
Ma'am, fifth one, we want to find A plus B plus C.
A plus B plus C is equal to question mark. A plus B plus C, the whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square 35 plus 2 into bracket means
Do
into 23. So A plus B plus C, the whole square is equal to 35 plus
46.
46.
3 into 2, 6, 2 into 2, 4. Okay, directly you can multiply. 46. Then A plus B plus C, the whole square is equal to 35 plus 46.
81.
81.
81.
So A plus B plus C will be what? Root of 81. What will be?
9.
9. Write positive value only. Okay. Positive is enough. Plus or minus we need, but write positive. Plus or minus 9. Usually we will write plus or minus 9. Since you are in 8th standard, no, we will write positive and negative. So positive, that is A plus B plus C is equal to, either you can write positive 9. But for 10th means you should write both values. Here also you should write, but some excuse you will get. You are in 8th only, no. But if I think you can practice this as positive and negative, then it will be useful for
Yes, ma'am.
10th.
Otherwise, that time we will get that.
That time last moment means it will be difficult. So practice like this way itself, plus or minus. Length means no need of writing negative. Length, isn't it? Length, or we are calculating only using positive values only. No? So length means write only positive. But here, so suppose length 9 meter means if we have root 81 means no need of writing plus or minus 9 meter. Only write which one? Positive. Length usually we will write using positive, no? You will not measure now negatives. 6th question. Start. If A plus B plus C is equal to P, BC plus CA is equal to Q. All are hungry, I think. I feel like that way. No reply.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Feeling hungry?
No,
No,
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
not interested.
No, ma'am. We are doing that.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Same formula apply. A plus B plus C the whole square.
The A square, A square.
A square plus B square plus C square. That second formula you can directly write, no? 2 common.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you write that directly? AB plus BC plus AC.
C plus.
Directly you can write no. No need of that 2AB,
Yes.
2BC.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then substitute.
Q, Q, Q.
Q. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2Q. That is P square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2Q. No? We need which one only? A square plus B square plus C square. So take this negative 2Q. So it will become negative 2Q. A square plus B square plus C square. That's the answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then 7th. Can you do 7th and 8th?
And let us
Yes,
try.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We will try.
8th I will negative are no? Negative is there in 8th. So 7th you can do. Do it. After that only I will do. 7th try. Write date properly, okay? Today's date, starting. Then only it will be easy for you to check the recorded videos in Teams.
Ma'am, when we have to submit the notes of exercise 4C?
This today itself. Today we will complete now. Tomorrow, up to tomorrow evening you can. Today I will assign. For C class test needed, for C simple exercise only, or 4C for only combined class test, or 4C separate.
Ma'am, 4C is separate enough.
Separate needed. Full exercise only, no?
Ma'am,
separate.
separate.
Okay. Can we conduct on Monday? Same
Yes,
as
ma'am.
yesterday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Today
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Monday we don't have.
Monday, not Monday, Tuesday.
Okay, Okay, ma'am. ma'am.
Tuesdays avadi.
10 minutes time needed only, no? 1 or 2.
Ma'am, Tuesday avadi.
Tuesday. Okay, then Wednesday. Wednesday.
Okay, ma'am.
Completed 7th one.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed.
I'm completed. Alla, my work is complete.
Okay. Then A plus B plus C is equal to question mark. Can I? Want to wait or not? You are doing.
Ma'am, we have completed.
Completed,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And A plus B, the whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into
Plus DC plus AC.
A plus B plus C, the whole square.
Is
You don't know.
50 plus
50 plus 2 into 47.
So A plus B plus C, the whole square is equal to B plus 47 into 2.
94.
94. Then A plus B plus C, the whole square is equal to
144.
144.
so A plus B plus C is equal to root of
Is equal to positive negative 12.
12 plus or minus 12. Okay. The last question is number 8. The first formula you apply for that. Okay. No need of taking 2 common. You will get confused about that. Negative sign is there. No. So first formula you apply A plus B plus C the whole square. So which formula we have to apply? Think of that. a plus b plus c the whole square or a plus b minus c, depending upon the question, which formula?
Ma'am,
What
A
is given?
plus B plus C.
X plus y minus z is equal to 4 is given. Then x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 30. Then xy minus yz minus zx. So depending upon this question only we can. So which formula we have to apply?
A plus B plus C.
A plus b
Minus C.
minus
C whole
plus b minus c the whole square, which is equal to y, because here x plus y minus z is given. So that 4 only we can substitute here, no? So that formula we have to apply. So a square plus b square plus c square. Then our formula is plus 2ab. Then BC we have minus 2bc.
minus
C. Place
Minus 2ac.
minus
C minus then AB also. So same thing, instead of A plus B plus C, x plus y minus z the whole square is equal to, same way how can we, x square plus y square plus z square, then xy plus 2xy. Listen me, after that you can write. Tell me. Plus 2xy.
Minus 2Z.
Minus 2YZ.
No,
Minus
minus
2YZ.
minus
Minus
2y.
2
Then
minus 2ZX.
minus
Minus 2.
x set or set. Okay. Two I will write like that way. Otherwise, set and two both will be same. 2y set. Then up to this completed. Right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed. Then listen. Okay. Then
Equal
listen.
to 30.
Then listen. X square plus y square plus z square. We have to substitute something. We want to find out this one, no? So xy positive. Look at this. Xy positive. Here also positive. 2xy. Here negative yz. Here negative 2yz. Negative. Negative. 2zx. Negative 2zx. So which one we can take common? Positive 2. Positive 2. So remaining, or same as what we have done in that first exercise, I think, factorization. We want which one? Xy minus yz minus zx. No. So depending upon this, you adjust. So 2. Then only if you change the bracket, you will get 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx, isn't it? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Clear, no? This step.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
we are taking 2 common. So think of the sign and take common. Okay. So then directly we can write which one. X plus y minus z is given as 4. So 4 square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square 30. 30 plus 2 into xy minus yz minus zx. That we have to find out. So take this. So 4 square is what? 16. Is equal to 30.
16 minus 30.
Plus 2 into xy minus yz minus zx. Then 16. Don't take this. Take this 30. Then only we will get positive values. So 2 into xy minus yz minus zx. 16 minus 30.
14.
14.
14.
No.
Negative 4.
Negative
14.
Negative.
Negative 14 is equal to, one sign is positive, other sign is negative, subtract and put the bigger number sign. Bigger number 30, sign of 30 is negative, so we put negative 4. 2 into xy minus yz minus zx. So next step, negative 14. This 2
Divided by 2.
divided by 2 is equal to xy minus yz minus zx.
-7.
Negative 7 is equal to xy minus yz minus zx. That is xy minus yz minus zx is equal to negative 7. Okay, so that exercise 4C completed. Then some questions I didn't upload in YouTube, some our videos. So which question onwards I don't know. Anyone know that? Okay, one thing. Use properties to evaluate. No, which you have written your that date in your notebook. 4B exercise. Anyone can you tell me dates? 4B. Question number 8 onwards. Which day we have?
not uploaded September.
7th
7th September.
September.
Which question? 8 question number 8.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
7th September. 7th September, 8th question onwards. No. 8
Yes.
to 8 to. Then next date. Tell me which question.
9th
Eight.
Onwards September
9th September.
9th onwards 9th September.
9th
9th question onwards 9th September.
Then next.
Ma'am, you have uploaded 8th, 9th, and 12th
13th.
question. And 10th September 8th question. Then you have uploaded 8th question.